Supplier reliability is more challenging than ever, with many issues beyond our control. We are all feeling increased supply chain disruption. These challenges will be with us for the foreseeable future. So, is there a way we can turn this disruption into an opportunity for better supplier management and collaboration? Autodesk Fusion Lifecycle is a product lifecycle management system with integrated supplier management tools. It gives you centralized data and drives process automation to run your business more efficiently. Avoid supplier issues and delays before they happen. Rather than relying on tribal knowledge or digging through emails for your preferred suppliers, you can find up-to-date information for all your suppliers when you need it. For any given component that you have in your system, you can see where to source it, costing information, and specific instructions about the supplier. You have a complete view of the information you need to act quickly with the right supplier. Safely invite your suppliers into your system to review product details and speed up the quoting and sourcing process in real time. Control what data people outside your company can access using permission settings. Collaborate on designs and share data during the product development process with suppliers and contract manufacturers. Rather than emailing drawings to your suppliers, use shared views to collaborate on 3D visualizations of your product design via a secure web link. Shared views offer your complete product definition via a web browser, with no CAD data sent outside your firewall. It's simple, fast, and secure. When you do need to collaborate on CAD data with your supplier or contract manufacturer, you can securely share them from Autodesk Vault via Fusion Team. Turn disruption into opportunity. Build resiliency into your supply chain and increase the effectiveness of your collaboration with new and existing suppliers using cloud-connected processes.